Today we are very honored not only to bring the Eclipse in Bonaire for one more time, but to combine it with a fantastic event, which means Celebrity, for those who are not aware, has been working with ETA Cruise for numerous of years now, which means accommodating Harley bikers in the beginning and eventually bikers of all kinds to visit islands and share their biking experience with the cruise experience. And what we do today is ETA Cruises celebrates their first time ever visiting Bonaire under their professional status, allow me to say. So this is a great moment, and I'm very proud that I have the opportunity to be part of this event.
The reason that we do this is we want people to really see what the islands are all about. We go to places that tourists really don't go to, and that's what's so exciting. They get to meet the people. So for example, today we will meet the people of Bonaire. We will meet the historical portions of Bonaire and what makes the people want to be here on Bonaire. That's the important thing. Of course, from a tourism point of view, we of course want to come, we want to leave our money, we want to go ahead and support every island that we go to. And so when people go back, they're going back with not only a memory from a great cruise on Celebrity Cruises, not only being with ETA motorcycles, but also realizing these islands are fantastic. They offer so much more that some of these people have never known. And that's the exciting thing. Right now, marking 17 years, we have a 77% repeaters program within a 2-year period. So that means 2 years from now, you'll see 77% of these people once again. They come back year after year after year. So we must be doing something right, you know? We expect exactly what we've received so far from Renfrew, from Orlando. The hospitality has been superb, and that's what we expect, and that's what I know that we're going to get. We can already tell from just the people here that we've met. It's a wonderful island, and we look forward to an incredible ride and making history, and most importantly, memories. Memories last a lifetime.